Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand that's by this band called napfun. And pretty much what it is a travel pillow that's very similar to the other one that I've tested in the past, and I'll put the links in the description box down below so you can go check it out. But first thing first, let me actually unbox it to show you guys what comes out the package first before we test it out and all that good stuff. So when we open the package, first thing you guys get inside is one of the little eye masks or face masks or whatever you guys want to call it. Next up, they give you like another little sleep mask. If you guys don't like the other one, you guys can use this as well. They provide you two of these little earbuds that you can use to like obviously cover up your ears if you guys don't want to hear like kind of other distractions and whatnot on the plane. So before I show you guys the travel pillow, I want to show you guys everything else that I showed you guys earlier, like the eye mask and whatnot. So let's start with this one first. So this one's actually kind of nice, you guys can see. So you guys can actually unstrap it like that and then put it on if you guys want to, or you just use the strap on and just apply it on. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So when I put it on, this is basically what it looks like. So it has that nice kind of design where it actually fits perfectly. So that way it's not like over your nose or anything like kind of this disrupting you and whatnot. So it actually has a nice fit and everything on the nose and the eyes. I can definitely feel the straps on here, but I feel like if you guys are really tired and whatnot, you guys probably won't even bother noticing that or whatever. But let's try the other one. I think the other one would be better than this one. So this is the other eye mask that they provide you right here. So right at the back, when I open the package, it actually feels really nice already. This has the same material that's on the travel pillow itself. This strap part actually feels really nice. This part feels silky smooth. It actually feels like a silk material. So when you guys put this on, immediately it feels amazing. Like this feels so much better than the other one that I just showed you guys just a couple minutes ago, a couple seconds ago. You guys can feel that silk material that's actually on your eye just right to the point where it doesn't like bother you at all. It's the same as the other one. You guys can definitely feel the band on here, but then it doesn't like bother me as much as the other one. That one actually bothered me more than this one right here, but this one feels a lot nicer than the other one. So that's definitely really cool that they actually provide you both of these to kind of like give you guys the option of what you guys want to use. But both of them are really nice. You guys can't see anything when you guys have this on. Everything's like pitch dark. So now let's actually open this part up and show you guys what it looks like. So when you guys take it out, it'll take some time for it to kind of like expand and whatnot. So if you guys want to like kind of do it faster, you guys can kind of like move it around to kind of give that extra like support so it can actually start defoaming itself or like, you know, form itself to the right size and whatnot, so you can actually get that full on like protection and security on your neck when you guys are sleeping. Let's talk about the material. The material is actually really, really soft on here. The outside of the travel pillow itself, it feels the same as the eye mask that's on here, the same kind of material you guys can see. We'll actually be using the interior instead of the exterior of the pillow itself, even though it is usable. We're just going to be using this side. So right now it's actually formed quite nice already, so let me actually just apply it and show you guys what it looks like and kind of describe the feeling about it. So when you have it on like this, it actually feels really nice already. It feels really soft. I could totally see myself falling asleep to this. Like I just like lean this way or lean that way and I could just fall asleep. And what's cool about this is the fact that on this part right here, you can actually make it tighter if you guys need to make it tighter or whatnot. And then also it has a little hook right here where you can actually attach it. So that way you guys won't lose the pillow and you guys can actually make it tighter or looser like that. So basically the material that's inside like the pillow and whatnot is actually memory foam, so it actually feels really nice and you guys kind of can squeeze it and it'll just form its shape back again. And what's really cool about this fabric is the fact that it's actually breathable and actually it's comfortable. So it has that really nice ventilation on here and actually it's really, really smooth and really soft. So you guys would definitely get a really good comfort sleep in the plane, in the car, or wherever you guys want to bring this with you guys. And probably one of the most important things that you guys probably want to know about this pillow is it machine washable? And the answer to that is yes, it is machine washable. So I can actually open up the zipper in the back and then just like remove this fabric out, throw in the little washer or the machine washer and just wash it, rinse it, reuse it again, and then you guys are all set. So now that we show you guys the unboxing and everything that comes in the package and kind of test it out and show you guys what it looks like, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this product in particular costs around $17 and they provide you two different colors, but pretty much for that price range I would have to say that's actually really worth it. Any kind of like travel pillow like this, like memory foam and it's washable and like feels really amazingly soft and comfortable, it's definitely worth it because you guys want to be as comfortable as possible for like a long flight or a long travel whatnot. So if you guys are flying somewhere for like over 20 hours, over 14 hours, you guys want to be as comfortable as possible unless you guys are in like a first class or something. But like how I say on all my videos, if you guys don't need this or have no use for this, then obviously don't buy it and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have